This is ShadowQuant, Market Brief, brought to you by AriesLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Monday, June 1, 2026, and this is the After Hours session. Now, let's get into it. Oil surged on Middle East tensions, while Bitcoin hit a key sentiment inflection point. Let's break down the market's after-hours move.
The S&P 500 closed at 756.48, up 0.25%. The Nasdaq 100 climbed 0.37% to 738.31, while the Dow gained 0.74% to 510.78. The Russell 2000 fell 0.55% to 290.43. On the upside, Bain jumped 99.900%, CSS&Q surged 4.990%, and EAR climbed 264.3%. On the downside, F5WS dropped 99.8%, IPOFWS fell 99.77%, and SBTKW declined 99.6%. The technology sector led with a 2.23% gain, while energy dropped 1.16%.
Cypher, any earnings or filings to note?
Core Scientific posted Q4 results that missed expectations, though the details are still emerging. SEC filings today included 8KS from RPay, C, Hadron Energy, THR, and ARC. Dividends are set to go X this week, including BIP at $0.46, HWKN at $0.19, and F at $0.20.
Pulse, what's the macro story today?
No major U.S. data released today, but the Fed funds rate remains at 3.62%, and the two-year Treasury yield is at 3.98%. Inflation data shows CPI at 3.78% year-over-year, and core PCE at 3.29%, both above the Fed's 2% target. Looking ahead, the BOC meets on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern, and the ECB decides on Thursday at 1 p.m. Eastern. The ADP report is due on Wednesday, and jobless claims will be released Thursday.
Spectre, anything on the risk radar?
Risk desk is quiet today. No elevated signals.
Apex, what's the look ahead?
Watch the VIX as it reflects extreme fear, and monitor the S&P 500 as it faces key resistance. Euro-dollar is stuck in a tight range, and Bitcoin's recent sell-off signals a sentiment shift. The BOC decision on Wednesday and the ECB meeting on Thursday are key events to watch.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the Tokyo session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.